Hey guys, what's up? We're back in another video. Today we're gonna be playing some Strongman Simulator. Let's get right into this. So, you look here, my man, Killmax241. He is only currently at 1.85 thousand weights, and we are gonna get him to 3K by the end of this video. Let's start by helping him. Let's go. Alright.
At least
He's here. Alright. Let me just get in. Just get into the sunbed. Dude. Get over here. Get in the chair. Get in the sunbed, Brett. Get in it. Get in the chair. There. He's in the chair. Now let's just move around this. Let's just get into my world. I have a lot of worlds, so don't be surprised when I just go through a bunch of them. I have all the way up to the disco world, but this is the best world that I can do. Alright. Alright, get some of these, dude. Get in the sunbed, dude. Get in the sunbed, Brett. Get in the sunbed. Can you get some of those? Grab three. No, right there. It says it. Alright. He's grabbing some. Alright, that's good for right now. Alright, here he comes. And with that, he gets a lot. Now, we're gonna be helping him to get really high, so let's start with this one. Let him grab this. Alright, he is 3. And I was just in the sunbed. Alright, he is in the sunbed. Let's go! Dude, he is like a lot. Now let's just keep doing that until he gets up. Dude, can you grab some quickly? Not waiting here all day? Dude, yeah. Right? Yeah, okay, let me out of this. Dude, where'd the sunbed go? Oh my gosh, it's in the ground. Oh my gosh. Alright, be right back. Just get this. Another sunbed, because apparently it went into the ground. Alright, it's coming right back. Alright, he's right here. Alright, get in the sunbed, Dude, get in. Get in, it's bed. Get in. Alright, he's in. Alright, now get out of the sunbed and just do some workouts. Do some squats. I can apparently only do that much because I'm a mega tank. Mega. just click on them. No, it has to say it. Go forward. Yeah, but I only get one at a time. How to get like two and stuff? Oh, you can only get one. Jeez, I just keep going. I keep going. So, guys, if you were just hearing me, I was just talking to my buds. So, alright, so Comax, he's a weak man. Alright. Alright, is he done? Alright, he's done. Bring me to that work. No, I'm doing him, then I'll do you. Dude, jump. Press jump. Alright, he's having some technical difficulties with jumping out, but like you just have to like that. Or you can just jump. Hold on 1 second. Alright, I was just helping him out. Alright, get in the sunbed, dude. Get in the sunbed. Alright, he's in. Now, I'm just gonna grab him 3 of these. And I'll get him 3 hydras. Alright, he has all those. It might look hard for me, but it's actually very easy. 209k, that is OP. Dude. Oh my gosh. I don't think that's ever happened to anyone, but if it has, give me a shout out. That was just, we got just shot up in the air. That was crazy. I don't think that has happened to anyone.
Right here. Yo, I'm right here. I'm small dude. I'm a baby noodle. Right here. Baby noodle. Okay.
Alright,
I'm in the sunbed.
I'm gonna be helping my man C5094M out and getting some more. Alright, oh, here he is. Get in the sunbed, dude. Right there,
I'm in the sunbed.
Alright, let me just...
Go to the next world.
Yeah, go on to all these worlds.
Can we go to the next world?
I'm OP.
Yeah, there's something in here.
Alright. Both can grab 3 of these, boys.
No. Hydra.
I can't do that. So just...
How many?
3.
Okay. Oh, right. I just got reconnected.
Alright. So now, I apparently only have 1 person because he got reconnected of something. Something fishy is going on with him, but yeah. He's coming right back in. Oh, he just joined. Can you reach it? Alright, he is in the sunbed. Hey guys, this position is very weird. I'm doing karate chop, but my leg is twisted. Alright, there we go. Dude, he just jumped off. Once again, he's getting through three pikemans, and they are apparently very heavy to people that are bad. Oh, this is the what do you call it? I don't know what you call it. Oh, that just happened again. Almost went up in the air.
Yo.
Alright, he's getting three of them. And so let's just get him in the sunbed. Let's get
Yo, Brent. Can I go?
Alright. Seems like he's at a lot. Alright, let me just bring him to another world. So then he can get... Oh, I can't go through that, but I can go through here. So I can do this, and then I'll go over here. I can do this. I can't build really anything in here, but... Oh, over here. Alright, dude, you can get off and lift some weights. Get off.
Yo, can you get me?
Oh, can you get me? Alright, oh, whoa. What just happened?
Is it the DJ's the lightest one, right?
Heaviest.
Oh. Can you grab anything else?
I can't grab the DJ, but I can grab the ball. The disco ball. Oh, oh. Let's go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, we're halfway. For this disco world, I am bad. So, yeah.
Can you get me? Hey, yo. Get me over there.
Hey, yo, I'm gonna get my old man C5094M. What's the matter? Oh my gosh, what just happened? I just dropped the sun bed. I'm just leaving him in the dust. Alright, let's get the sunbed.
I'm in.
Alright, he is in. Now we're just gonna go past all the worlds.
Someone else is on. It's okay. Grab two.
Oh,
Can we do the two hydras?
Yeah, I have to. Oh my gosh.
Actually, do two balls. Or do one ball. Yeah, do one ball. Are you good?
I'm stuck. Oh no.
Just go back. Don't. Are you stuck inside there? Oh my god, just go back. There we go. You're good.
Alright guys, we're gonna end the video. We'll be back with another one soon.
Just
Peace.